In this video, you're going to learn how to do a math question that's known in the real estate school business as the four-story building question, or the bin question. This is a classic question on the state exam. It was on there when I took the exam in 2002. It was probably on the test when my mom took it, and maybe even when my grandmother took it, and they both have 5-digit license numbers. I'm Karen Climer with FloridaRealEstateInstructor.com. This math question is not one that's taught in all real estate textbooks, but it's absolutely one that you need to know. So here's the question. Bob Brown owns a 4-story building that's 150 feet by 200 feet. He subdivides the building into storage bins that are 10 feet by 20 feet. If 20% of the floor is used for common area, how many storage bins will he have? So our building is 150 feet by 200 feet. That means 150 feet this way, 200 feet this way. So we're going to do 150 times 200, and that gives us 30,000 square feet. But it's a 4-story building, so that's 30,000, 30,000, 30,000, 30,000. So times 4. That gives us 120,000. That's the total square feet of this building. Now we're going to lose 20% to common areas. This is hallways, elevators, things like that. So minus 20%, that gives us 96,000 square feet of usable space. Now the way I do that is I just put in my calculator 120,000 minus 20% sign, and I get 96,000. What you could do is, well, on some calculators you have to do 120,000 minus 20% equals. On other calculators, if you press the equal sign, that messes it up. So this is how I do it in my calculator. I do 120,000 minus 20% sign, and you get 96,000. On some calculators, you have to press equals. On other calculators, if you press the equals, it messes it up. So figure out how your calculator works if you want to use that method. If you don't like that, what you could do is come over here on the side and do 120,000 times 20%. And that's going to give you 24,000. That's how much we lose to common areas. So then you take 120,000 minus 24,000, and you get 96,000. So whichever method you use, you come up with 96,000 of usable space. Then we go back to our storage bins. They're 10 by 20. So we come over here and do 10 by 20, and we get 200 square feet per bin. So 96,000 divided by 200 gives us 480 bins. Like I said, this is a classic question on the exam. I'd be surprised if you didn't have some version of this question on the Florida Real Estate Sales Associate exam. If you have further questions about this problem or anything else about the real estate exam, please leave a comment below and I'll respond. If you'd like information about how to find a great career in real estate, please give me a call and I'd be more than happy to help you.